Welcome back to the channel, beautiful people. Okay, so we have mindful souls. Let's just pause and enjoy the delight of this box because it is so different than any other subscription box that I have. It says open up to the world of inner peace and self-love. Do you guys see this moon back here? Oh my gosh. So I got this and I think I got it from Target online. Super nice. I'm sure if you put a hole back here, you could probably hang it, but it's for like your crystals and stuff. Isn't that really neat? So I haven't exactly organized everything yet. Still unpacking, still finding stuff. So you see stuff kind of like there. But let's get into this box. Hashtag mindful souls. It doesn't say it. But anyway, mindfulsouls.com. Okay. This is what it's looking like. Oh, this is different. It's new. And just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. And, ooh, they are trying out some new stuff because they had like a pamphlet and now this is like a short little booklet. Okay, so wherever you are, be there totally. I absolutely agree. I love that. I always got to wipe it off because it's like dusty. Somebody said that there's numbers to these boxes. If you guys know where to find the numbers, let me know because I have no idea. Maybe it's in this pamphlet. I don't know. Mindfulness is a key to self-love. All right. So, as always, the reminder, it is important to cleanse and activate your crystals as soon as you receive them. Allow them to sit under running water for 5 to 10 minutes. Fresh, natural water would be best. Okay, so it tells you what's in here. No prices, just a good description. So you get a sticker. This one is enjoy every moment. Yes, love that. Oh, I don't know where my sticker collection went, so we'll find it. And you get an affirmation card. This one is smaller. Some of the other ones were bigger. Affirmation for relationships. All my relationships are now loving and harmonious. Another good one. Put that to the side. And they come in these little individual baggies. Usually you get 6 to 8 items. So let's see. This is the first one. Ooh, something different. Oh, this looks really prehistoric. Like, see all of those little swirls? Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, it's like secret little cave in there. Oh, that's cute. What is this? It's a natural geode. Geode are a type of natural rock formation that contains a cavity lined with crystals or another type of mineral matter. Geodes can help communicate with divine beings and assist in creating better moods, balances, and energies. Oh, I thought I was showing it. That is cool. Something different. Ooh, what's this? This must be the smell. This is Tibetan rope incense. I love the smell. It's from Nepal. You see that? For centuries, Tibetan rope incense were used to release stress, sadness, and tension. You can burn rope incense by lying it flat on a bed of sand, which allows the entire rope to burn safely and completely, or use a rope incense burner. That is going to stay nicely packaged. It has like this red dye there, but you can see the rope material. Super cool. Okay, next. Feels flat. Let's check it out. Ooh, this looks like rose quartz necklace. Oh yeah, it's a double layer. Look at that. Rose quartz necklace. It is the perfect healing necklace you have been looking for with its soft pink colors. Kind of looks clear there, but it really is pink. Why does it look clear? It's got the lightest pink to it. Maybe you can see it a little bit. Love is the most powerful energy, which makes rose quartz one of the most beneficial stones for healing and flooding the body with positive energy. That is another great one. Ooh, so many energies. Ooh, something different. Oh, it's a bath bomb with rose quartz. Ingredients: sodium bicarbonate, which is how you get the fizzies, and some other stuff. So that's what it's supposed to look like. I don't want to unwrap it, but you know, it's good to relax in a nice bubble bath, right? Okay, what do we got here? Blue tiger's eye. Blue? Oh yeah, I see a little bit of blue. You see it? A little bit of blue right there. There's some right here too. Tiger's eye bracelet. Very soothing stone as it aids in reducing stress, increasing calm, and easing anxiety. Who doesn't need that? All right, so that was number 5. Number 6 right here. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, and if you haven't checked out Wellness with Frugal Mama, go ahead and check that out. And if you have, thanks. You know how we do. This collab is awesome with Mindful Souls. We've been loving it and doing this collab together. We show off different elements and items that come in our boxes and different meanings to each of us. So super cool. Go check her out. And if you're coming from her channel, thanks for coming. Okay, so we have the Amethyst stone keychain. Oh, this is cool. I love keychains, and I got way too many already. Amethyst is known to calm and bring clarity to the mind, to relieve stress, soothe sadness, anger, and anxiety, and balance mood swings. Maybe I need to put this one on there then. Amethyst is very powerful stone, therefore it is really good to carry one in a pocket wherever you go. Yeah, I do. In one of my purses, I have some stones in there. Okay, so that was our box. I'm still trying to figure out, like, how do you know what number? Because there's no number on here. But I have heard and seen other channels where they say, oh, I got box number 9. So if you know what number this box is, leave it down in the comments. And which one was your favorite item? We did get, we got 4, we got 6 items. Of course, we got the affirmation card and the sticker, which was enjoy every moment. So be sure to do that. I like to keep these cards just so I know a little bit about the crystal or the item. Let me know if you're loving this box. And stay tuned for more, guys. Again, if you have not checked out Wellness with Frugal Mama, go check her out. She's got some great stuff over there, and I can't wait to see what she has in her box. Stay safe, guys.